Hi, my name's Lulu and I am an artist. I get depressed, so it's taken me a long time to get to this point. I've been making art for over 40 years. I'm more than a hobbyist. Bios are boring, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I prefer tea to coffee. I don't wear makeup because it irritates me. I forage as a hobby. I like fresh cut flowers on my work table. I hang unfinished work on my walls to see if there's any issues that need to be corrected before it's finished. My MBTI is supposedly INFP. Watch my series Painting With on YouTube. I will put the link below. It's Sundays at 7 p.m. See you then. Bye for now.